Spring organizing is upon us, and today we are putting bins and boxes in the hot seat. There is an organizing battle brewing on the home aisles of your local Target and Walmart as two all-new, very popular brands compete for your money. So the first line was created by two women you know, and like me, you might be binging season 2 of their reality show right now on Netflix. Clea and Joanna from The Home Edit created a home organizing line exclusively for Walmart. The products are sleek and chic, lots of clear acrylic going on here to showcase the brand's signature rainbow organizing style. But wait just a hot home minute, because you will find a rival brand at everybody's favorite Target called Bright Room. Here you'll see lots of warm woven and metal products in this line. Starting at $2 per product, it's being marketed as the budget-friendly buy of the two. So who wins the spring organizing wars of 2022? We asked our good friend and pro organizer, Michelle Inkley, to share her opinions on both of the lines. She's done her research, she knows her stuff, so let the party start.
Should we?
Yes, please. You took on this assignment with open arms.
Oh, I was so giddy to see what was out there and see what was gonna work best for my clients as well.
Yeah.
So, and I just was, I'm enamored with The Home Edit.
Of course.
I just wanted to make sure that their products were what they were thinking about.
Let's start there, because there is an adoration right now for The Home Edit. If you watch it on Netflix, you know these women storm into a home and they rainbow everything, right? And there's a lot of clear pretty going on, which I think is in part why women are so enamored.
Yes, it is so fun to see that whole rainbow, to see what you have, to see it all organized in teeny little tiny containers.
Yeah.
That does something, of course, to my little heart, but I just thought it was great. The thing about this is I wanted to make sure, because they do have a line that they started in the Container Store, working with a bigger company, and then they kind of branched off and did their own thing, if it was comparable to that as well, and the price points. So I went to Walmart and I grabbed some of these. Now they come at Walmart in a kit like this.
Oh, you can't buy separates?
So you, maybe online, but in the store right now at my Walmart, there were only these kits available.
Okay.
Which is great because it's at a lower price point. So if they put it together for you, then that's great.
What will this cost you roughly?
So that is 25 bucks.
25 bucks for 5 pieces?
Such a good deal. Oh yeah, it's really such a good deal.
Okay.
This one is the same price for all of these 10 pieces. This is more for your drawers.
Okay.
But I opened it up and I noticed they weren't quite clear. They do have a little bit of a smoky color to them.
Okay.
Which is not like the clear acrylic you'll get at the Container Store. But these two have a fun little ad that they stack.
Oh, these can play with each other.
So yeah, so they stack well. They are great if you're doing drawers or deep drawers. The bigger bins, like the laundry set, has a little clear turntable, has the bigger bins like that we've been seeing for years.
Well, and you see on the show, they will look at a drawer and try to isolate every item into some container. So these smaller pieces, I mean, you might be thinking, what am I ever going to put in this? But you'll find something.
Oh, and your Q-tips and yeah,
your drawer becomes Tetris as you try to arrange, right?
Yes.
Are these good sizes for that game?
Yes, this is such a great idea for your drawers.
Okay.
I have loved it, especially those new deep drawers that people are putting in their houses.
Yeah.
These are dreamy. Now, it's a lot of upkeep as well. So if you're gonna set this out on your counter or your closet or your pantry, it's a lot of upkeep.
I do think that as I watch their show. It's so pretty, right?
It is gorgeous.
During the reveal, but especially with like kids' spaces and playrooms, I'm like, that is never gonna last.
Yeah. No. So you have to really think about where it's going.
Yeah.
If it's in a drawer, great.
What's your favorite product from this line?
So I do think I love that laundry kit because the bins are bigger. They're easy to pull in and out of cupboards. I love all of these behind closed doors because they act as drawers.
Yes.
So in a cupboard, in a closet, love.
Good for someone who wants to see their stuff and make it pretty.
Yeah.
All right, let's move to Target Bright Room. What is there to love about this line?
Well, what there is to love is they have.
She's like everything.
Yeah. Can I pick one? The thing is, this is so great. They are trying to market to every single women out there. They have things that are white. They have wood. They have hyacinth baskets. They have plastic. They have all the things. So if you go in and you're like, I need this, this, and this, they'll have it because they really have expanded their line to encapsulate everything and all the sizes.
Okay.
They have some fun new things that I haven't seen. I love these plastic, really inexpensive bins that have lids.
So that's new to the market, like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of a newer little thing that's out.
It's a unique size.
It's a great size. It fits the cubbies. I know Bright Room did a really good job of getting that IKEA or the Target cubbies that are those 13-inch cubbies.
Yeah.
And making sure that some of these products fit. So if you have a boho playroom, you can just grab these baskets and it's going to look so sharp.
Okay.
Or if you wanted clear or white or, you know, gray, then they have those as well.
There's more.
Oh, so much more.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get a bigger option of doing it. My other favorite thing was this huge turntable. So in pantries, we need that bigger 15, 18-inch for the corners.
Yeah, I was going to say those corner pantries, they are a trap.
Oh, scored on this.
Okay, your all-time favorite product from the line?
Oh, this hyacinth basket. Hands down, it is so classy, so chic, reasonably priced. I mean, the plastics could be a little bit cheaper, but it's got the handles and it fits in the cubbies. It's just so versatile. You can start it in your playroom and move it to the teens room or your living room or wherever. So it's a great showpiece, especially if you're organizing out in the open.
Yes. All right, so if I were to pin you down and I were to say, as we've set up these organizing wars, Home Edit versus Bright Room, what gets your organizing dollars?
I've got to go to Bright Room.
Really?
They just have so much stuff, and I know this is trendy, and I love it too, but if you want to be practical, if you want to get everything, if you are got a certain style, try Target first, see what they have, and if you're still really stuck on that clear acrylic, go over to Walmart.
Michelle, when do we want to see everything, right? We are so enamored with the idea of the rainbow order and things looking so lovely. In what space or place do I want acrylic and clear and see-through?
I love them in a pantry that has doors or anywhere that you can kind of shut. Because once you open it, it's great to see what you have.
Sure.
They're granola bars and the things. But if you had to look at that every day, it's a lot of visual clutter.
It's busy.
Especially if you're just dumping your Costco finds in and you don't have time to like organize it beautifully.
Right.
And turn it all the right way.
And that's where a hyacinth basket or a wood container is going to be
a little more practical for younger kids.
Yeah.
Easy for them to grab and go, not breakable.
All right, Michelle, thank you so much. Now you know, because we want to spend those dollars carefully. They can go fast in the organizing aisle. You can find Michelle on Instagram at glitzypear, also online glitzypear.com for more about her professional organizing services. Great job. Thank you so much.